As you're heading out this morning, today is A-OK. We're tracking quiet conditions, but tomorrow morning, not so much. So I did put the red light for tomorrow's travel forecast as we're going to be tracking our winter storm, bringing with it a wintry mix of precipitation, a messy mix at that, especially back off towards the north and west out towards the I-81 corridor. Could even see some ice accumulation back out that way. As I get towards Friday, I put the yellow light just because we could be seeing some travel impacts associated with the cleanup from Thursday's system. Not only that, a few of those isolated sprinkles and a few of those could be mixed with some rain and snow as well. But again, those will be lingering to the early morning hours for your Friday. Aside from that, we should be drying things out later on Friday. Temperatures out there this morning, it's cold out there. Upper teens right now in Manassas, low 20s in Hagerstown, 21 in Frederick, right at the freezing mark in the district, 24 currently in Fredericksburg. Satellite radar, we have high pressure with us. However, we do see those thin veil of clouds, those high level clouds strolling in. Those will thicken through the day today. Out ahead of our system is back out towards the west. So notice the leading edge of these rain showers back out towards Indiana as well as Kentucky. Those are starting to break apart just a little bit, but we're also watching the back edge of this system that really spins its way back over towards the northern plains, bringing snow as well as blizzard warnings out that way. We have severe weather on the far south side of this system, extending as far south as Louisiana. Again, they're seeing some severe weather out there this morning. But back here locally into tomorrow morning, we do have some advisory to talk about. A winter weather advisory for the four-state region until 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. For the D.C. metro area, the Beltway, as well as northern Virginia, and even down towards Culpeper. That's until 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. Farther off towards the north and west, that ice storm warning. That is the biggest concern with this system, is the ice accumulation. And back out towards the I-81 corridor, back over towards the mountains. That's until 10 p.m. tomorrow night. And with that ice accumulation, we could see upwards of a ½ an inch of ice accumulation. When you're talking that much ice, that's not only on the roadways, but we're also talking that is picking up on the power lines as well as the tree branches. So that could also bring down those tree branches as well as some power lines. So we could see some power outages possible when you're talking about that ice accumulation with this particular storm. Highs today, though, will be into the upper 30s to low 40s for your Wednesday afternoon. Here's a view of the timing of this precipitation. It starts to move in after midnight tonight. Could see a bit of that wintry mix already setting up back over towards the I-81 corridor. Farther south, though, temperatures still too warm. Upper 30s down towards Manassas and Fredericksburg, so still mainly rain by about 2 a.m. But then we see that changeover to that wintry mix, mainly along I-95 in areas north and west. So we do see a brief period of time for the D.C. metro area I-95 to see a little bit of that wintry mix before that starts to bounce its way back farther off towards the north and west. It rebounds a little bit farther back over towards I-81 as we get towards the afternoon as those temperatures start to warm up a little bit closer towards the D.C. area. So we could even see not only some sleet and wintry mix accumulation, but over towards Cumberland, we could see a little bit of that snow accumulation on top of some of that sleet as well. Looking at towards 11 p.m. Thursday night, a few lingering rain showers with us that eventually slides its way off as we get closer towards Friday morning's commute. Temperatures then starting off into the 30s and eventually bouncing back to near 50 as we look ahead towards your Friday afternoon. So we'll see those temperatures really swing over the next couple of days. Again, as we get towards your Thursday, it's DMV first warned day, and looking ahead towards Friday, chance for some isolated showers or sprinkles early, but then we should dry things out. The weekend mainly dry, low 40s Saturday, upper 30s on Sunday, but we will have a cold breeze making it feel even colder through the weekend. Shanika's here with the all-important traffic.